Projectile thrown from ground to ground. Equation of trajectory means we are talking about the relation between x and y. Here in the equation of trajectory we will achieve equation of its path means y is a function of x. We are considering a very basic situation in which a projectile is thrown from ground to land again on ground. Say the path followed by projectile is this one. When we talk about the reference which we have to select here is same as before, taking x direction to be along ground and y to be vertically upward. This is the origin which has been taken as the point of projection from where a projectile has been thrown with initial velocity u at an angle theta from the ground. If we talk about the acceleration acting here is g, which comes from acceleration due to gravity, which is vertically downward. Now, using the equation of kinematics, using the second equation, which is given as s equal to ut plus half at square. So along x direction we can write x equal to u cos theta t, and along y direction we can write it to be y equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square, where t is any time when projectile is flying in its flight. If we obtain value of time from this equation as x upon u cos theta and put it into the equation which has been given to us, y equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square, then we get y is equal to u sin theta multiplied by x upon u cos theta minus half g and square of x upon u cos theta. This equation after rearranging becomes equal to y equal to x tan theta minus gx square divided by 2u square cos square theta. So this equation is the equation of trajectory for the projectile. So this equation is called equation of trajectory of the projectile. Here, by seeing the result we obtained here using the second equation of kinematics for this projectile which has been thrown from ground to ground, we can analyze some noteworthy points. The first important point for this equation of trajectory is y equal to x tan theta minus gx square divided by 2u square cos square theta is an equation of a projectile. This equation of trajectory for the projectile is also the equation of a parabola. So this parabola is symmetric about its highest point. Here you can see that angle of projection is equal to angle of landing, and its highest point subtend equal angles phi at the point of projection and point of landing also. So we can say that this projectile, if this has range r, then obviously this distance is r by 2, range upon 2. Similarly, this distance is also r by 2. This is the maximum height attained by this projectile, and the path of the projectile is symmetric about this vertical line which passes from the maximum height. The next point about the equation of trajectory is to get range along ground, we can put y displacement to be 0. So what we will do in this equation of trajectory, we will just put this y to be 0. So 0 equal to x tan theta minus gx square upon twice u square cos square theta, which gives us value of x to be 0 and twice u square sin theta cos theta divided by g. Here this value of 0 indicates point of projection, while this value of x represents horizontal range. Here I have utilized the value of 2 sin theta cos theta to be equal to sin 2 theta. So finally we got the result for the range to be u square sin 2 theta by g, which is correct answer as we have discussed horizontal range in our previous sections itself. Now we are going to consider the equation of trajectory again. Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square 2u square cos square theta. If we take x tan theta to be common from these two terms, then we got 1 minus gx upon u square sine 2 theta, which can be further written as y equal to x tan theta 1 minus x upon r is here horizontal range. So this is the final form of equation of trajectory in terms of angle of projection, x position and horizontal range of the projectile. If we talk about a projectile which has been thrown from ground and falls again on the ground, here we can consider the same reference frame, the x, y Cartesian coordinate system with y-axis vertically upward and x-axis along the ground. If we consider any point of its trajectory for which we have been provided this is the x position with respect to the point of projection and the x position of the projectile at that instant from the point of landing, it can be taken as say x2. This height of the projectile at this instant is y. Remember, it is not the maximum height, it is an arbitrary height at any instant t when it is flying under the projectile motion. So here projectile at any instant is shown in this xy reference frame where projectile's y position is y and x position relative to the point of projection is x1 and relative to the point of landing it is x2. Then above equation of trajectory can be written as y equal to x1 x2 divided by x1 plus x2. So here for this condition, as we have shown here, projectile it has been thrown at angle of projection as theta with certain velocity u, then at any instant projectile's height y can be written in terms of its x position relative to point of projection as x1 and with respect to point of landing as x2. Then above equation of trajectory reduces to its new form y equal to x1 x2 upon x1 plus x2 times tan theta.